How's it going, everybody? My name is Andrew and this is Rocket Future. Today we're at Boca Chica Beach here at Starbase, and I'm going to be giving you a tour of the Jeep. All of our streams that you see from here at Starbase or over at Isla Park, where we do a lot of the testing streams, everything was run right out of this Jeep. We have all the equipment in here to run those streams, and we just finished a major upgrade of a lot of the tech that is used in the Jeep here. Okay, so first things first. When we come out here to do these streams, we set up Starlink first. It takes a few minutes to kind of stabilize and make sure it's pointed in the right direction and everything, so that's always the first step. So this comes out right in here, tighten it up. This comes off the camera. Then we fish the Starlink cable through. And not only the Starlink cable, but also the power for this PTZ camera here. We have these kind of tied so they don't go too far. Starlink comes out. Cable goes in. And locked. Over to the rear passenger side door here, we have the powerhouse that runs everything. This is an Anchor 757. With my previous equipment, I could get 5 to 6 hours out of this thing for a full stream with a bunch of cameras. With the new equipment, I should be able to get closer to 10, maybe 8, but we have to do some testing. So this goes on. Starlink gets plugged in. That PTZ camera gets plugged in. And then the dish should automatically start adjusting itself. All right, now we got to get the computer going and everything hooked up to the computer. So we open up this here. In this little box here, this is the machine that runs all of the stream. So let's get it all hooked up. Okay, so at this point I have OBS running, and I'm connected to Starlink. Everything is looking good. So the next step is to start hooking up all the cameras. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Everything is designed for ease of use, simplicity, and reliability. We're not going to be pushing 4K or anything out of this setup. It's definitely not powered for that. But it gets us out here and gets a live stream up that's reasonably reliable and reasonable quality. And I think as we move forward, our quality is continuing to increase. I think we're getting better, and I think it will continue to get better as well. But I'm really happy with this setup now. Everything seems a little bit more in place. So everything is a little bit more permanent now, and it's not like I'm lugging an old laptop in and out of the Jeep and setting cables up and disconnecting everything every time. Everything is kind of set in place as far as the Jeep, and obviously the cameras out here I have to set up every time, but the cables are all kind of managed and permanent, and things are less likely to get damaged from everyday use now that everything is kind of settled. So I'm happy with it. Hopefully this will turn out to be a reliable setup. Really happy that we got it all ready to go. I still have to figure out exactly what I'm going to do with the monitor there, but we'll figure that out later. But thanks for watching. Again, my name is Andrew. This is Rocket Future. We'll see you on the next stream.